Open house for sale today near North Hollywood, Los Angeles. Welcome to the open house for sale today. This is a fantastic day retreat located almost next to the Belmond La Residencia Hotel, which is just behind me. Let's go take a quick peek inside. This place is everything you could ever possibly imagine from a day home for me. The house was restored in 2011 and it was a passion project from the sought-after Mori Design. In fact, it was one of Mori Design's very first projects in Deya, and for me, it's the perfect example of when two creative minds meet and just go with it and create something so unique and special. So, let's begin with my favorite part of the house, the gardens and outside spaces. The house sits on 850 square meters of land, which has over the years become an incredible selection of different outdoor spaces to relax, hang by the pool, spend time with family and friends, and entertain. For me, it just has everything you could possibly want from a Deya home. Mori Designs actually created and landscaped this garden initially, but what you see today is just years of so much love, care, and attention that the current owner has put into creating several different spaces which you can just enjoy throughout the day. And that's what I love most about this space. You can see how they've really maximized on every view you could possibly have. I mean, look at those views from the bedroom terrace. It's just incredible. It's such an amazing view to wake up to and also to go to bed to. The house was originally two separate houses, and they had about 10 different rooms to work with. And as you can see, they've knocked through a few walls, created one whole living space, which has a really lovely flow, and they've really made such an effort to keep those original features and just make it feel like a lot of the rooms have been here for years and years and years. And a lot of the materials from the house have been sourced locally from local craftsmen across the island. There are 207 square meters of living space with 3 bedrooms. And the owner actually currently uses the master guest suite as a 4th bedroom as well, with a sliding door, so you could create an extra bedroom from that if you wanted to put something a little bit more permanent in there. Otherwise, this works perfectly. So, there we have it, Ken Palmera. I really hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour around this fantastic Deya home. I really hope I can show you the house in the future. In the meantime, I'm gonna pop myself on the sofa and enjoy the view. Open houses for sale today near North Hollywood, Los Angeles.